Hi, it's Laurelle and I'm here at Art's Garden and Home, and we're standing in front of the grasses. If you want to add structure and movement to your garden, consider grasses. They're just beautiful. The ones that we're standing by right now are Miscanthus grasses, and Miscanthus range in height from this bad boy back here, which is Miscanthus giganteus. That can get up to be about 15 feet tall. Isn't it glorious? And it will stay upright. It's not a floppy grass. And then we get to our smaller miscanthuses, like the Maiden Grass here, and they can grow up to about 3 to 4 feet. So there's a huge range. Their flower heads, you can see this one just starting, are pretty stunning. They often get confused with pampas grass, but this is a hardier version. A lot easier to prune too if you've ever pruned pampas grass. But Miscanthus is actually one of my favorite grasses to build structure in a garden design. You can see the grasses here are starting to come into their own. This is Red Bunny Tails Pennisetum, and you can just see it's just starting to get its beautiful little flowers. Grasses always add interest to the garden, and they work really well when you have groupings of them. So with the tall kids in the back and some of the sort of fluffier ones in the front. I love grass combinations, and in combination with perennials, they just go together like peas and carrots. Here, if you love those big plumes, this is the pampas grass that I was talking about. Loves it hot, dry, and sunny, but you want to wear your cat catching gloves when you go to prune, or thick leather gloves. They have quite sharp fronds, but absolutely gorgeous. We get here into the Panicum Dallas Star with a beautiful blue tone to it. Panicum is also a really nice upright grass with a very sort of misty flower head. We've got the Lamus, and we've got the Stipa, a very, very wispy looking Stipa. I often see Stipa used in planters, and that's a really great place for it. It gives you that movement and softness to your landscape design.
Ice stands. Do you have any other ice stands?
We have Diana and Sheena organizing the grasses here. And they're in the carex section. A lot of the carex grasses are evergreen grasses, and they have some beautiful variegations in them. Sorry, Diana, I'll get out of
That's
your way.
okay. And they're wreathy, and they're frosty curls.
They're beautiful. Feather Falls is one of my favorite variegated carex, and they're just a gorgeous evergreen grass. Fills out nicely. If you want to add a little bit of this bronzy color, here's another carex, also evergreen, or I guess ever bronze in this case. There's just a huge range of grasses to play with. So if you want to add a little interest, don't always think about flowers. You can consider foliage and texture by adding grasses, and if you look at them, they're actually quite colorful on their own. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you guys next time.